Hey everybody, Mungo Dark Matter here, and welcome to Dark Matters. Today on Dark Matters, I'm going to do an unboxing of this, the Razer Kraken Bro, which is the signature headset of PewDiePie. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Also consider clicking on the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos and new live streams as they happen. Today we are going to unbox the Razer Kraken Bro, which is the PewDiePie signature headset from Razer. And so I'm looking pretty forward to this. It came in a box and it was wrapped in this nice tissue paper like a gift, which I have not seen with other Razer products, so this might be a special thing. Alright, there we go. Very nice box. It's very colorful. Of course, this is modeled after the ones that PewDiePie now wears, or actually I guess they designed these for him to wear, and you can get them. Very nice. Alright, Razer always has a really good presentation and packing for their gear and their products, and so no big surprise here. I do like the I guess it's hot pink with the kind of, I would say almost like tiger stripes, but they're not really tiger stripes, they're just kind of wild. Alright, so it has stripes on there. Let's take a look at this. It's really nicely made. This has a metal frame on it and everything. The microphone comes out. Let's just pull this out. Looks like we've got plenty of cord here. Cord comes with an adapter that splits this off into two things, or you can use the kind of single headphone if you have a headphone set like that. See what else is in here. Then we get our instructions. There's a nice foam top on this box that kind of protects everything. Alright, they look like a really nice set of headphones. Like I said, these are metal, it looks like here. Nice padding and everything on it. Alright, so I'm going to try these on real quick. They feel really, really comfortable. I like the way the microphone comes out here. They're good, sturdy construction, very comfortable. I'll be testing these out for a while, see how I really like them. I like Razer headsets anyway. I have a Razer headset currently, which is this headset right here, which is a Man of War, which I like. It's a good headset, but it's plastic. This is made of metal and is much more sturdy. It's also much more flamboyant or what have you. Now they look pretty much red on the screen or orange on the screen. I guess, what are they? Look at this. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be Dayglow fluorescent pink color. Anyway, nice set of headphones, very comfortable, very well built, and I'll start using them, and I'll put out a review as soon as I kind of get an idea of how I like them. I'm pretty satisfied with them already. They're pretty comfortable for a headset of this type, which are kind of the over-the-ear headsets, which tend to be a little bit heavier and they kind of cup over your ear. Some people don't like that. They have their purpose. I don't know that I would be wearing these if I was outside using an iPod, just walking around, but they're good for gaming and webcasting and all sorts of things you would use a set of headphones like this for. I'm Mungo Dark Matter, and this has been Dark Matters. Whatever you do, enjoy technology. I will see you next time.